Hi, I'm Prakash, Chartered Accountant and acting as Academic Advisor in Masterminds. This video is meant for CA Foundation students and their parents who are in search of best academy for their CA Inter regular batch coaching. This video is like a guide to choose the best academy for CA Inter coaching. Hence, please watch this video till the end. For better understanding of the video, let us see what are all the subjects in CA Inter. So please don't consider this as 6 papers in CA Inter. So please look at them as 8 different subjects. So remember, CA Inter is only for 1 year. But in each subject of CA Inter, you will get more knowledge than a postgraduate student, which will take generally 5 years to finish, 3 years for degree and 2 years for PG. But here in just a matter of 1 year, you will get a very in-depth and expert knowledge. So frankly speaking, CA is not a tough course, it's just a different course which requires a different approach. For example, syllabus of examinations like NEET and IIT JEE is exactly same as that of intermediate. But the quality of the question papers is completely different. Similarly, the specialty of CA course also lies in the exams but not in the syllabus. So to crack CA Inter, students as well as coaching centers shall follow a very different approach. If you can join in the academy running in such a right approach, then you are 50% successful. Now let us see the unique features of CA Inter and also the unique approach which the coaching centers have to adopt to handle such CA Inter course. So first and foremost thing is CA is a very dynamic course. For every 5 years, there will be a complete overhaul of the syllabus, and every year there will be amendments in legal papers. Every year the exam pattern gets changed and the question papers becomes unpredictable. Now what is the approach that Masterminds follows? In other words, what is the edge of Masterminds in this regard? So an institution like Masterminds with 23 years of academic excellence can surely do justification to such dynamic course. We also have an exclusive training division to continuously train our faculty as per the changing syllabus and emerging exam trends. The next unique feature is 350 out of 600 marks in CA Inter are legal subjects. Actually, even in CA Foundation, there is one legal paper, that is law, for 100 marks out of 400. So, but unfortunately, students feel it to be challenging, even though 50% of the questions are straight theory questions and only the remaining 50% are practical. But at CA Inter level, legal papers means law for 100 marks, income tax for 50 marks, GST for 50 marks, auditing for 100 marks, and 50% of advanced accounting will be accounting standards, which are very much like legal paper. So, totally there will be 350 marks out of 600 legal papers. But here almost every question will be like a practical question and the straight theory questions are almost zero. In each paper there will be 30% MCQs asked in case scenario style. That means a real life scenario is given and you are asked to answer some MCQs. In law and auditing subjects, each descriptive question is just for 3 to 4 marks. That means examiner can thoroughly test your knowledge in a very large number of areas. To handle such kind of questions, every student must know the meaning of every word in the provision. You must have expert knowledge in at least 60% syllabus, moderate in 20% syllabus, and novel reading in the remaining 20% syllabus. Unfortunately, most of the coaching centers are offering just 900 hours of coaching, which is not at all sufficient to explain each concept in such a detailed manner. That means that coaching is not enough to meet the exam standards. Especially students coming from direct entry cannot adjust with such 900 hours of coaching. Now here is the Masterminds edge. So we offer CA Inter coaching in 1400 hours and teach each and every concept in a very detailed manner. So this will surely help you to gain in-depth knowledge on the provision. Before joining in any academy, inquire the total number of their teaching hours for CA Inter. The next unique feature of CA Inter is problematic subjects. In CA Inter, you have problematic subjects of advanced accounting, where 50% are normal problematic chapters and the remaining 50% are accounting standards, which are like legal papers. So you can count 50 marks, financial management for 50 marks and costing for 100 marks. That means a total of 200 marks will be problematic. So most of the problems will be drastically modified when compared to the ICAI sources, which means board material, RTPs, MTPs and past exam papers of present as well as old schemes. Negligible number of problems are given with amounts change. You might have slightly experienced this in your CA Foundation Accounts exam, but here you can experience all new level of standards in the question papers of problematic subjects. You can solve such kind of problems only if you have, number one, conceptual clarity. Number two, you must practice, that is solve large number of unique and variety of problems. Here lies the mastermind's edge. Unlike others, we cover ICAI sources of present scheme as well as old scheme. If you check the question papers, you will realize that even the questions are being repeated from the past schemes as well. Almost every unique model is already covered in our material, and we will make you to solve assignment problems on your own. So with this, you can easily solve a new problem in the exam. The next unique feature of CA Inter coaching is you must prepare in comprehensive and updated materials. In most of the coaching institutions, they don't provide you comprehensive materials. As a result, you need to prepare in different materials during coaching, and after completion of coaching, you may need to prepare some additional materials as well. So here lies the mastermind's edge. Our materials are so comprehensive that you need not refer any other books, including the ICAI sources of present and old schemes. So to provide in-depth conceptual clarity, we provide you with hundreds of concept questions which make you to understand the concepts better, and you don't find such kind of concept questions in any other material. For every 1 year, we scrap our old materials and come up with updated materials based on the latest exam trends. We can proudly say that no other institution provides you this much of comprehensive and up-to-date materials, as it is a very costly affair, because updating materials once a year, it's a very costly affair. Now the next unique feature of CA Inter coaching is you need to attempt a large number of internal exams that are conducted at par with public exam standards. That means you need enough practice. So classroom satisfaction is different from exam satisfaction. Just because you understood a concept well, you can't write an exam well. For example, you read one novel, and if I ask you to write an exam, will you be able to write? No, even though you understood that novel. So for writing an exam, you need lot of practice. That means you need to write large number of exams. So you need to revise it for multiple times. In all legal papers, almost every question will be framed in an indirect manner. No direct questions. You can understand the depth of the questions only when you write the exams in public exam standards. So without writing the exam, you will feel that you understood the provision well. But once you start writing the exam, you will realize. For example, in CA Foundation Accounts and Law, you might have realized this. Unfortunately, in CA coaching, most of the academies don't conduct any internal exams because they don't have any mechanism of conducting them. Even if they conduct, they don't do any research on question papers. That means they simply copy paste the questions from their material. Even if they conduct, they don't evaluate. Even if they evaluate, they don't communicate the marks from time to time. So here lies the mastermind's edge. Every week we conduct chapter and exams in at least 3 to 4 chapters. After syllabus completion, we will even conduct revision exams, semi-final exams and one set of pre-final exams. The quality of the question papers of all these exams will be at par, and sometimes would be even more than the standards of the public exams. Immediately after completion of each exam, we will provide you a copy of the sized answers so that you can immediately know the mistakes that you have committed. We will even evaluate your answer papers and will return them back. Before joining in any academy, please inquire about the quality and the number of exams that they are conducting. The next unique feature of CA Inter, which requires a unique approach, is very important to complete the syllabus on time. And you must spend enough time on revision. It's very easy to write an exam after completion of the chapter, but it's very tough to write the exam in the same chapter after completion of entire syllabus. That's why you need ample revision time after syllabus completion. You might have experienced this at your CA foundation level, especially in accounts and law. Even for routine courses like 10th and intermediate, you took around 3 to 4 months of revision time after syllabus completion. But unfortunately, most of the CA Inter coaching academies will continue teaching the classes even just 15 to 30 days before the public exams. And they don't give you enough revision time after syllabus completion. After syllabus completion, most of them simply leave you for your own preparation. But here lies the mastermind's edge. We have an excellent track record of completing the syllabus at least 2.5 months before the public exams, and we even conduct study hours and revision exams during that time. As a part of these study hours and revision exams, we conduct study hours for 10 to 12 hours a day, and we conduct 2 revision exams a week and 1 set of semi-final and pre-final exams. So I don't recommend you to join in any academies who don't conduct study hours and revision exams at least for 2.5 months after syllabus completion. Another unique feature is, you must listen to the classes with utmost attention, because every minute aspect is also very important here. In most of the coaching institutions, a single faculty will teach the same subject for 6 to 7 hours at a stretch. As a result, you can't maintain good concentration on the class. So faculty must maintain eye contact with you, and the faculty should change the pace of the teaching by observing your facial expressions. For example, if most of the students give a feedback with their facial expressions that they did not understand, then obviously the faculty has to give another explanation, or he has to take another example. So all this is not possible in institutions where 500, 600, 700 students are being accommodated in a single classroom. How can you maintain the eye contact? Here lies the mastermind's edge. At Masterminds, we don't follow any of such unethical practices. For every 1.5 to 2 hours, we change the subject. After completion of each chapter, we even take the feedback from every student and check if most of them are able to understand what the faculty is teaching. If most of the students has any issue in understanding the class, then we will speak with the faculty and make necessary changes in the teaching pattern. To facilitate you to focus well on the classes, we also provide the best infrastructure among all CA and CMA coaching academies. Another unique feature of this course is, discipline is very important. So in every batch of CA foundation, we identify some non-serious students. As a disciplinary action, we will put them in our do not admit registry. So those students who entered in this DNA list, they will not get admission in any of our branches for any of the courses, now as well as future. No other institution will be dare enough to do this. Now, it's very easy to make claims, my dear students, but very tough to achieve the results. Achievements of our students indicate the quality of our coaching. So let me explain the achievements of our students as on 15th January 2025. So in the recent results of CA final, that is December 2024 attempt, our students have achieved All India first rank at CA final level, along with All India 33rd, 34th and 40 ranks. A total of nearly 1355 All India ranks, that is a cumulative total of 1355 All India ranks in all levels of CA-CMA courses. So first rank for 11 times in CA-CMA courses in just a matter of 5 years. First rank for nearly 55 times in all the courses for which we offer coaching. Here are the details of our single digit All India ranks at IPCC or CA Inter level. And every year we run more than 25 batches of CA or CMA Inter coaching. I repeat, per annum 25 batches. We can humbly say that no other institution in South India is even closer to these results. Of course, the credit of securing an All India rank majorly depends upon the student's performance. But think logically, why such top performing students are choosing masterminds? In achieving all these All India ranks, our role is also there. So as we provided the best faculty, best materials, and we conducted examinations at par with public exam standards, and we provided a very good disciplined environment for the students to achieve their dreams. Before choosing any academy, please check the results of that academy without fail. Now let us see the details of our CA Inter 54th session regular batches. Actually, CA foundation examinations got completed by January 20th. And results will be declared within 35 to 40 days. Now coming to the batch commencement details in Guntur as well as all our branches. So till now we successfully completed 53 sessions of CA Inter regular batch coaching, and this is our 54th session. 70% of our CA foundation students don't wait for results and they start their CA Inter preparation even before results. That's why we call them as pre-results batches. And these pre-results regular batches will commence from January 27th. And the post-results batches, that means the batches which commence after announcement of CA foundation results, will commence within 3 to 4 days of results. Since Guntur is our head office for the first 15 to 20 days, there will be a new batch for every 3 to 4 days. Same thing will apply for pre as well as post results batches. In Guntur, there will be a total of 3 to 4 pre-results regular batches and 2 to 3 post-results regular batches for every session. That means for every 6 months. In all our branches, there will be a single regular batch. Now let us see the coaching duration of CA Inter in our Masterminds Academy. Most probably your CA Inter exams of January 2026 attempt will commence on January 2nd or 3rd. So coming to the pre-results batches, for the first 1 month, we conduct CA Inter classes for half a day. And after announcement of results, there will be full day classes for 6.5 months. So for BCom first semester and second semester exams, we need to stop our CA Inter classes for 15 days. And study hours and revision exams will be conducted for 2.5 months, which is very much required to appear for both the groups in the first attempt. And for making you to attempt your CM Inter exams to be conducted in December, we will stop our CA Inter classes for 15 days. Now coming to the post results batches, CA Inter coaching will be given for 7 months full day classes. And for accommodating BCom first and second semester exams, we need to stop our CA Inter classes for 15 days. And for study hours and revision exams, we can provide only 1.5 months because 1 month is already lost for results. For CMA Inter examinations to be held in December, we need to stop our classes for 15 days. There can be slight differences between Guntur and all our branches with this regard. Now let us see the different modes of coaching being offered for CA Inter. First and the best for CA-CMA courses is face-to-face classes, that is physical batch. So these classes will be available in Guntur, Hyderabad, Amirpet and Dilsukh Nagar branches, Vizag, Tirupati and Vijayawada. And we have our own hostel facility separately for boys and girls. And the second option is live to home online classes. In this mode of coaching, face-to-face classes will be live telecasted from Guntur and you can attend the classes directly from your home. So students of other states can also attend these classes directly from their home. So through chat facility, you can directly clarify your doubts in the live. That is why choose this option only if you have utmost self-discipline and require some facilities like you need a separate room, high-speed internet and a laptop, or if you can't attend face-to-face classes for some reason. And so this facility is available in all our branches, that is all the 5 branches that we discussed above. And it's also available in another 3 branches of Masterminds, that is Nellore, Rajahmundry and Kurnool. You can also take admission from our Android app Masterminds online classes or our website www.mastermindsindia.com. And the last option is recorded video lectures. We provide the best recorded videos since they are recorded in face-to-face classes and we update them for every 1 year. So choose this as a last resort only since you keep postponing watching the videos. If at all you want to choose online, then choose live to home batch rather than recorded videos. Recorded video lectures can be purchased from our Android app Masterminds online classes, or you can even purchase them from our website. Now let me answer some of the most frequently asked questions. The first question is, why is it important to join in CA Inter pre-results batches instead of waiting for CA foundation results? My dear students, you need to attend coaching for 1400 hours. Don't forget that. After syllabus completion, so you need ample revision time to revise this much of syllabus. If you join in post results batches, you will hardly get 1.5 months of revision time. But if you join in pre-results batches, you will get 2.5 months of revision time. That's why I recommend not to sit idle at home for 35 to 40 days just waiting for results. Now the next important question is, what will be the medium of our teaching? Coming to the face-to-face classes, in Guntur, we run separate batches for the students who want their classes in 100% English and the students who want their classes in English plus Telugu. Now coming to the Hyderabad Amirpet branch, classes will be conducted in 100% English. Coming to the remaining branches, that is Hyderabad, Dilshuk Nagar, Vizag, Tirupati and Vijayawada, we conduct the classes in English plus Telugu, that is mixed language. Now coming to the live to home batches, who may take admission in any of our branches, including Guntur. Since the classes will be live telecasted from Guntur, you can choose between 100% English classes or English plus Telugu classes. Now, how can students know if they can qualify CA Foundation exams or not even before announcement of results? Very simple, within 48 hours of completion of exams, we will upload the probable sized answers for all the subjects of CA Foundation in our website. So download the same, assess your marks and then take a decision. So here a lot of parents and students will have a doubt. Sir, some coaching institutions conduct classes for just 7 to 8 hours, sometimes even 6 hours a day, so that students will get some time to revise the syllabus on daily basis. So will masterminds also follow the same approach? My dear students, in all those academies, classes will be conducted even 15 days before your public exams. Every day you waste your remaining time as you are not habituated to study seriously during the coaching. You will seriously study only in the last 2 to 3 months. In this regard, Masterminds has a clear-cut edge. We finish the syllabus early and we will give you 2 to 3 months of concrete revision time without any classes. That's why we are able to achieve highest pass percentage at CA inter level. Sir, will there be any PGs and hostels near Masterminds campuses? My dear students, in all those PGs, students studying different courses, including working people, will stay along with you. All of them will not have the same level of seriousness. For example, a person who is working in some other organization, so why he will have the same level of seriousness as you? As a result, you may get distracted. That's why I personally don't recommend staying in such kind of PGs. On the other hand, management of those PGs don't even monitor whether you are attending classes or not and what are you doing after classes. You may get addicted to smartphones. So here Masterminds has a clear edge. At Masterminds, we maintain our own hostels for boys and girls with utmost discipline. In the entire hostel, you will just find students of CA/CMA courses only, but not the students of any other course. Whether that coaching institution is really best for CA inter or not? Very simple. I will tell you few benchmarks. The first one is check if that academy is offering coaching for all the subjects of CA final or not. Yes, what you heard is right, because only the coaching centers which are capable enough to handle CA final coaching. Otherwise, they cannot. Also check the All India first ranks and the total number of All India ranks in all the levels of CA/CMA courses that institution has achieved. Check the total number of admissions that they have for each level of CA course. Check if that institution has excellent research facilities to prepare their materials and for conducting their exams. Also verify if the directors take personal care or not. For example, in several coaching academies, directors will not be available for full time as they need to spend a lot of time on their CA practice. In all these parameters, Masterminds has a clear-cut edge. Every year, we run 2 exclusive batches of CA final with best faculties for all the subjects. With this, you can understand the caliber of this organization. So, there are highest number of CA and CMA inter students studying with us in South India. All our directors will personally monitor the classes and performance of all the students. Mail IDs and mobile numbers of all our directors will be directly shared with the students. You can interact with them directly. Now, direct entry students will get it out. Sir, so why Masterminds is the best? Why to choose Masterminds? Since our CA inter coaching is for 1400 hours, you can understand every concept really well. So to give strong foundation to you, we will conduct bridge course classes to teach the basics of accounting, law, costing and auditing. Now the interesting question is, what about CMA inter exclusive batch? Yes, we also run CMA inter exclusive batches in Guntur as well as Hyderabad. So in another video, I will provide you the complete information. Sir, everything is fine. What about the fee details of CA inter in Masterminds? My dear students, before inquiring the fee in any institution, please consider the following points. Most of the academies are offering just 900 hours of coaching and they conduct just half day classes. But we conduct 1400 hours of coaching, that to full day classes. So check the past exam papers of CA Inter and you will realize the need for such a detailed coaching. In all our branches, together we have a team of 42 members of expert and experienced team of faculty for just CA and CMA Inter level. For every subject, we will have multiple faculties. You can't find this much huge team in any other academy. Ours is the only institution to conduct weekend exams, revision exams, pre-final, semi-final exams at par with public exam standards. And we will pay the GST out of our pocket. We don't create that burden on you. If you took CA Inter coaching in Masterminds earlier and would like to join for once again, then our management will provide you with a huge discount. If you compare the fee and the quality of services that you get, then you will feel that the fee charged in Masterminds is very affordable. So here are the details of the contact numbers. If you are interested to join in our academy, here are the details of the key staff of each of our branches. And here are the details of our physical presence. And here are the details of our online presence. I hope that the information provided this video will definitely help you to choose the best coaching academy for your CA Inter journey. If you still have any doubts, yes, you can leave a comment in the comment section. And if you really like this video, then press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for all latest updates. All the best, my dear students.